everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you looking for best Hume Health discount code? Well, you're in the right place because today, I'm going to tell you biggest Hume Health discount coupon code that will help you to get best savings on your purchase for Hume Health Body Pod and all products. So, without wasting any time, let's begin with this video. To get the latest Hume Health discount coupon, all you need to do is just scroll down to the description box of this video. I've added a special link there just for you. Click on it. Once you click on that link, you will be redirected to Hume Health website. Now wait a few seconds and a pop-up. Here, click on Redeem button and you will get your latest coupon code for Hume Health. Just copy it and use it in checkout to get discount. Each user will get a unique discount code when they click on the discount link in description box and pinned comment of this video. The coupon doesn't last forever, so hurry up, check out with your unique discount coupon code. I am not showing you the coupon code because coupon code changes for each user. Just click on description box link and get your latest discount coupon code. If you still didn't got your coupon code, see at the bottom right corner after clicking on description box link. You will see this button for flat $20 discount on your purchase from Hume Health. Now you are all set, just choose the product you want to buy. Don't wait. Head to the description box and claim your best Hume Health discount code. And don't forget to like and subscribe.